another nice day out. It's Friday afternoon and I'm heading into work. I'm only going to be there for a few hours just to finish up some stuff before the weekend, schedule wise and payroll wise, but I want to be out of here while it's still light out, halfway nice. Come on, guy. But I want to be out of here by maybe 6 o'clock so I can maybe go fly the drone around a little bit. I haven't really flown that around for about, oh my gosh, it's been a while. Long while. So I might just head somewhere, open space somewhere, and screw around for a bit after that. But first we're going to go in. We are here. First we're just going to go in and finish up some work. Don't know if I like this setup with the camera. Bounces around too much, I think.
3 hours later.
Alright, it's been a while since I've taken the drone out, so let's go see what we can get into. First, we got to drive through downtown. The inside of Silver Lake Park. We're going to go over these, they call it the 3 bridges. We're going to go at the 3 bridges and get some overhead drone shots. yeah, I think this will be a good spot for a test flight. Okay, you're gonna think I'm crazy. I just walked about a block through Silver Lake, and this bird above me has been following me around all day, and I think it's because I flew my drone over its head. And he's either bothered by me or he thinks I'm his dad or mom. No joke, watch. I'm gonna walk. My car's parked about 500 feet that way. I'm gonna walk about 100 feet this way and he will follow me, watch. All right. We're gonna go get the Mini out. There's a couple flat spots where I want to go fly the Mavic Mini. All right, now we're gonna go out, get the old. Now we're gonna go out, get the DJI Mavic Mini a spin. Now we're gonna run out. All right, now we're gonna head out, try to fly. Fuck it.